Right. My name is Douglas Hill, and this is going to be my demonstration video of week one's task submission assignment. So I'm going to start off by doing a clean of my build and then a build. And you can see it succeeded and with no warnings. So I'm going to go ahead and run it. So to start off, it tells the user that they need to enter the account holder's name followed by an initial account balance. So I'm going to go ahead and add my own name, and we're going to start off with $1,000. So my menu has for 0 an exit, 1 makes a deposit, 2 will make a withdrawal, 3 will display account details, and 4 I added myself is a transaction history. So first off, I'm going to just show the account details. So I have it set up so that it will randomly select an account number from 100 to 1,000. So here it's made 593, and it shows the initial account balance of 1,000 and my name. So I'm going to go ahead and make a deposit. I'm going to add another $1,000 to it. So it says I deposited 1,000, and my new account balance is 2,000. And I'm going to make a withdrawal. So I'm going to take out $500. And it says you withdrew 500 and your new account balance is 1,500. And if I go back and display my account details, it does reflect that. And if I go into my transaction history, it will show my initial balance. It will show my deposit of $1,000 and then the ending balance of $2,000. And then it will show the withdrawal that I did at 500, and then it will show an ending balance after that of $1,500. Um, so one funny quirk of this is in order to get these particular transaction lines to print with 2 decimals, that was quite a challenge. And there's one very funny quirk of the way that floats work that will cause it not necessarily to show um, the exact number that you put in, and I'll demonstrate. So I'm going to just make a withdrawal, $1,500, empty the account, just to show that there is nothing in the account. So then I'm going to add 1,000 back in, and account detail says 1,000. Now I'm going to add $100.99. Now, when I go back and I look at this, it'll say you deposited $100.99, and your new account balance is $1,100.99. That works just fine because at that point, um, I'm displaying from a pointer reference the value. Um, in order to do the transaction history, I created a vector that I could just add to and add to and add to as many times as I want to. And in order to display it, I filled the vector with strings that I built, and I'll show you. So this deposited and withdraw line, that is a string, and there's a concatenation of the variable, and that's again done with pointers. And then here's another string, and then a concatenation. So you can see the transaction history here. It says that I added $100.99 and I had a balance of $1,100.99. But due to the nature of floats, the float was actually $100, 100.98999990. And the same here with this ending balance, it was 1100.99 or 989990, which in terms of it being a float is actually 99. But the way I won't go into how I necessarily did it um, to get it to display 2 decimals, but all it's doing is grabbing that 98 and forgetting about the nines after it. And of course, doing the transaction history is above and beyond the requirements of the assignment. I just wanted to try and do something a little bit further, and I did learn something, and I still have more to learn. So I'm going to now exit, and that is it.